And welcome back to this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Allen Volkswagen. This week, once again, I do have 5 new cars for you. They are all ranging different in model, make, and year, so you should be excited. I probably have a little something for everybody. As we approach the end of October, come out and see us. We are putting deals together on a daily basis, so do not miss your chance to get a great deal on a car of your dreams. So now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting us off here, we have a 2023 Hyundai Sonata SEL. It's got only 14,879 miles on it, black interior, perfect gas mileage at 27 and 37 miles per gallon. You got navigation, heated seats, panoramic roof, Apple CarPlay, blind spot, backup camera, clean Carfax, only one owner, retailing for a clean $24,000. Next up is a 2017 Toyota Highlander XLE. 89,055 miles on this car. It's got black interior. It is all-wheel drive, so perfect for the season coming up. It's also got a V6. You're getting 20 and 26 miles per gallon still. You got tons of safety features. Third row for all you big families out there. You also have a backup camera, heated mirrors, and keyless entry. It also does have a clean Carfax, and it's retailing for $21,800. Next up is one of our very own. This one is a 2022 Volkswagen Atlas SE. 45,801 miles. It's got black interior, another all-wheel drive vehicle, so again, perfect for the season coming up. Still good gas mileage at 20 and 25 miles per gallon. You've got heated seats, Apple CarPlay, third row, so once again, big families, this car is for you. It's got blind spot, backup camera, clean Carfax, and only one owner, retailing for $25,805. Next up is a 2017 Chevrolet Impala Premier. It's got 99,120 miles, black interior, V6 engine, so plenty of power, still great gas mileage at 18 and 28 miles per gallon. You got Apple CarPlay, premium audio, power moonroof, power seats with heat and ventilation. You've got a backup camera, blind spot, and clean Carfax, retailing for $16,975. Our fifth and final car is a 2019 Toyota Highlander XLE. It's only got 78,275 miles on it, black interior, all-wheel drive with the V6 engine, 20 and 26 miles per gallon, navigation. It's got third row, power moonroof plus powered seats. It's got heated seats and a power liftgate with a clean Carfax, retailing for $26,894. Thank you very much for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Allen Volkswagen. As always, I appreciate the likes, support, shares. As I said in the beginning of the video, please come out and see us. Myself and all my coworkers are more than friendly and more than happy to help get the info you need to make a decision on buying your next car. Our lot is super full, so do not hesitate. Do not miss out on one of these cars. I will see you guys next week as always, and once again, thank you very much for watching.